Don't replace your thermostat right away. In this video, I'll show you two proven methods to diagnose and fix the P0128 code like a professional American mechanic. Stay till the end, because one simple test could save you from wasting hundreds of dollars on unnecessary repairs. With those details out of the way, let's dive directly into our main subject. Dealing with a P0128 error, this video shows two easy ways to fix it at home. First, use your Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0128 code. This means your engine's control module has detected that the engine failed to reach its target operating temperature within the expected time frame after starting. Here are two simple, DIY-friendly methods you can use to resolve this issue yourself. Method A, the Easy ECT sensor. In most vehicles, the primary engine coolant temperature, ECT, sensor is conveniently located near the thermostat housing on the cylinder head. To test the sensor, remove it from the engine and use a multimeter to measure its resistance. At an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Celsius, 27 dC, the resistance should be between 2,000 and 3,000 ohms. If you don't get a reading, that's a clear sign your ECT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. However, if your sensor shows the correct reading, then we know it's working properly and can proceed to Method B. Method B, the thermostat. In most cars, you'll find the thermostat housing located near the water pump on the cylinder head. Before you begin, ensure the engine is completely cool. Then carefully remove the thermostat housing to access the unit. Next, install the new thermostat. Ensure the short end faces the hose, while the deep end points toward the engine. When reinstalling, make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to allow air to escape the cooling system properly. Once the repair is finished, use the Zeus app to clear the P0128 error code. Then tap the rescan button to confirm everything is working correctly and the code does not return. If your scanner shows a P0128 code, start by checking coolant level and temperature sensor data. If everything looks normal, replace the thermostat because that's the most common cause. Fix the issue, clear the code, and verify that the engine reaches proper operating temperature. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more professional diagnostic and repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.